Welcome to the Nomadix Passpoint product demo. The most common place people use public Wi-Fi is hotels and restaurants. And a Forbes Advisor survey found that 40% of respondents had their data compromised on these networks. Hotels need to offer a secure yet simple way for guests to log on to the Wi-Fi network. Nomadix Passpoint does this while minimizing friction for guests logging in and reducing support calls to hotel staff. Nomadix Passpoint provides a secure, seamless, and continuous connected experience. Guests only need to download the profile to their device once. They will stay connected throughout their stay, anywhere across the property, and for future stays at the same brand. Nomadix has the ability to custom tailor a solution to fit the needs of your organization. Here's how this could look for Angelica Suites. The guest will see the welcome page with an option to sign in or join for free to the loyalty app. In this case, the guest already has the hotel app and logs into their account and will then click the Connect to Wi-Fi button. The profile installs and the device connects. A few simple and user-friendly steps that they only have to do once. After the first login, guests are automatically authenticated when they return to the same hotel or any of the brand's Passpoint-enabled properties worldwide. Nomadix enables guests to stay connected at affiliated locations such as convention centers and coffee shops. Additionally, we offer a reporting dashboard. This view shows unique profiles logging onto the network. We can also custom build a report set based on the specific needs of each customer. Nomadix Passpoint allows hotels to create a personalized guest experience through advertising and upselling. This includes offering discounts on food and beverage, reminding guests to book a spa appointment, and promoting other amenities. Why is this beneficial for hotels? Secure, fast hotel Wi-Fi is still the #1 driver for guest satisfaction. Ease of connection further decreases calls to the front desk. The addition of personalization, advertising, and upsell makes this a must-have Wi-Fi solution. Nomadix. We are the single-source supplier for all your personalized connectivity and digital engagement needs. Let us help you bring connected experiences to life.